Hello there, it's Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some top 3 tips and tricks you need to know on your Google Pixel 6 devices. In case maybe you are a new user here, this is actually going to be very helpful for you, so take note. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here too, and like this video up so that it reaches a lot of people. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So basically, there are lots of new features that have been dropped to the Google Pixel 6 right here after it was released out of the box. And there is this one I really want to talk about, which is custom stickers within Gboard. So there is this custom stickers which you are being allowed to send to people when you are actually typing or texting to them. So in case maybe you want to send a happy birthday message to someone, a friend or something, you can just type in the happy birthday, and when you type in happy birthday, you're going to see a sticker within where you're going to see the word suggestion on top of your keyboard. You tap on the first sticker, and then you're going to see at the far left corner on top of the keyboard, you're going to see happy birthday right there. You tap on it and you're going to see suggestions of stickers you can actually send to the person right away, and you can look through and pick any of them you feel like you want, and that is basically very cool. This is actually going to make your chat or your message you are trying to send to the person very rich and make the person feel like, yo, how did you do this? Because you can even add the person's name, and the sticker is actually going to generate the name of the person in whatever you are actually sending to them. And I really feel Google actually went hard on this one, because I've not seen any smartphone keyboard actually doing this. And I actually downloaded a Gboard on my iPhone, and I tried seeing if maybe this feature was going to be on it. I still didn't find it. So I think I'm going to give Google a thumbs up with this feature they brought right here. And in case maybe this is helpful too, just give it a thumbs up, and let's check out what Gboard can actually do with this sticker thing. So you go to Twitter, you can still send a message or send a tweet with this sticker right here. When you type in, let's say, hello world, and then you tap on the first emoji right here, you tap on the sticker at the far left corner like we did on WhatsApp, we're going to see hello world right here. And then when we tap on it, it's actually going to generate it as a picture right here. And then with this, you can just tweet it to your people, and then they're just going to see it right away, and then they're going to love it. They can share it to people, or they can actually retweet, or depending on whatever you're actually sharing to them, they are really going to like it or embrace it very well, and everyone is actually going to see it. So I think this is one of the greatest features you guys need to try. In case maybe you are new to the Google Pixel phone, you can try it out, and if it was helpful, just give it a thumbs up like I said, and let's check out the next feature. So the next feature I want to talk about wasn't part of the Google Pixel feature drops that were released throughout the time Google Pixel 6 was released. So in case maybe you have the Google Pixel 3 XL app, this feature is actually going to be on your device, and if you are new on a Google Pixel phone, you probably might not know how this feature works, so I'm going to share with you. So this is night light, and this actually allows your phone to just get a dim or an amber light, which is actually going to make it look a bit dim and not a bright white light that is really going to enter your eye. So the reason why they made this possible is sometimes you might be in a dark room and you feel like you want to sleep or you want to read something while laying on your bed. With this white light, it's actually going to distract you from sleeping, and it's going to make you wide awake. But with this night light right here, it's actually going to dim your screen, give it a brownish yellow light, which is pretty much very calm than the white lights we have. And what tops it most is you can actually reduce the intensity you feel like you want per how you want your light to look. You can just do it. And the nicest thing I like about this one too is the schedule feature right here. Mostly I put mine on turns on from sunset to sunrise. So when I put it like this, it just actually turns on and off anytime, and during the day it's off. I just read it with my bright lights, and then during the night around 6:30 p.m. it actually turns on automatically, which allows me to use my phone in the night very freely. And I think this is one feature which is actually going to help you guys, because I'm a type of person who use bright lights or who sits behind the PC, use my phone most often to just know features that are coming. And also comparing this light I'm seeing right here with a white bright light, I think this light is actually very calm, and it doesn't really make me strain my eye or feel like I want to close my eye while something is punching it. I just feel very comfortable while looking at it. So I think it's going to be very helpful in case maybe you guys try out when you are in your room trying to sleep, and then you want to read something on your phone or texting. You try this light out, you might fall asleep automatically while using it, and that is basically very cool. So there's one thing I want to share with you in case you've not yet tried it. If you've used a Google Pixel for a long while, there's actually the time for you to just try it out, and that is basically very cool. Let's check out the next feature. So the next feature I want to share with you is rules. So with rules, it's one of the features that a lot of people don't talk about when they are sharing tips and tricks on a Google Pixel phone. So with these rules right here, you can actually set a rule with your Wi-Fi or location, and then anytime you get connected to the Wi-Fi, your phone is actually going to go on do not disturb, on silent, on vibration, or on ring. And then you can also set it to location, and anytime you get to location, your phone is actually going to be on do not disturb, set as silence, a vibration, or a ring. So let's say maybe you are going to go to work and you don't want to just get disturbed with your phone ringing and all. You can just put your location right here. So let's say you want to put your location as Accra and you confirm. So anytime you just step your foot in Accra, your phone will automatically turn to vibration, and when you leave Accra, it's actually going to turn back to ring. Same applies to the Wi-Fi section right here. In case maybe you want to just make your phone connected to a Wi-Fi at any time. On my Pixel 3, I actually connected my Wi-Fi as a rule, so in case I get home and then my phone connects to my Wi-Fi, it turns back to vibration, and that is basically because I'm always going to be around my phone when I'm home. So you set on maybe vibration, and then you tap on this section, tap on Wi-Fi, and then you're going to set on Wi-Fi resident right here, and then you add. So anytime this phone is actually connected to residence, it's actually going to turn to vibration. Anytime it disconnects from residence, it's going to turn back to ring, and that is pretty much very cool. In case maybe you don't understand anything, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm just going to help you out. So if it is your first time you're actually getting a Google Pixel phone, or you have a Google Pixel phone and then you want to know more tips and tricks about your device, I'm actually going to leave a link in my description, which I've talked about a lot of tips and tricks, which is actually going to help you use your phone very, very well. And if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot more I'm going to be sharing with you. And you can check out this video right here in case you want to know more apps you can actually use or download on your devices, which is actually going to make you enjoy your phone very, very freely. And expect more from me. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.